My number one tip on how to work a room at a networking event is, let me start off with what most signing agents do wrong. A signing agent goes to a networking event and someone says, oh, what do you do? And then a signing agent says, well, I'm a signing agent, I'm a notary for title companies. You've already lost that networking connection. The first thing you should say when someone asks you, oh, what do you do? What you say is something along the lines of, I help realtors get more business by executing flawless signings. I help mortgage officers get more business and referrals through being a signing agent, which helps borrowers walking them through the loan process. I'm somebody who helps escrow officers achieve greatness with their business by being the best notary signing agent I can be. Notice that I started off with how I help somebody else. When I walk into a networking event, it's not about me. I always want to leave an impression on whoever I'm talking to that I'm in the helping business. And that leaves an impression because the first thing when you say, oh, I help realtors get more clients, now they're like, well, shoot, that's awesome. I know like 4 realtors. Now they're connecting with other realtors. But the moment when someone asks you, what do you do for a living? You say, I'm a signing agent. You've lost them. You've lost that personal connection I try to teach you to have. When you always remember that your business is about helping others. Lead every conversation, including an introduction about yourself to someone else, that I'm here to help realtors. I'm here to help escrow officers. I'm here to help lenders. I hope this tip helped you for your next networking event, because remember, it's never about you. For more tips and tricks on how to build a signing agent business, more tips and tricks on how to work a networking event, and more tips and tricks on how to make more money as a notary signing, simply follow my page.